In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and organize a content calendar using a tool called Perplexity, and then seamlessly integrate it into Microsoft Word. This is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their content creation and productivity workflow. The first step, naturally enough, is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, simply type Perplexity into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Perplexity, a handy tool for creating various content. Look for the official Perplexity website in these results and click on the link to open it. Upon arriving at the site, you will find an interface where you can input prompts. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll want to think about your specific content needs. For this tutorial, we're going to create a content calendar in a table format. So go ahead and enter the following prompt. Create a content calendar in table format with these columns: platform, date, topic, caption, and status. Generate 10 entries and ensure the table is clean, aligned, and easy to paste into Microsoft Word. Use realistic topics and captions that focus on content creation and productivity. With this inputted, click the Submit button to generate your table. After a moment, Perplexity will provide you with a neatly aligned table filled with entries that you can use immediately for your content planning. The next thing you'll need to do is highlight the whole table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the entire table from corner to corner. Once highlighted, copy the table by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or by using your mouse to right-click and select Copy from the context menu. Next, it's time to move over to Microsoft Word. So go ahead and open Word on your computer. Once there, find a blank document you'd like to use for your content calendar. Right-click in the space where you wish to paste your new table. When the menu appears, you'll want to select the Keep Source Formatting option. This ensures that the table maintains the neat and tidy format generated by Perplexity, making your content calendar both functional and visually appealing. Now, although the table should appear clean, you may need to make some minor adjustments to ensure everything fits perfectly within your Word document. Things like column width or the size of your text might need slight tweaking. Simply click on the table to access Word's table editing tools, which you can use to make these adjustments quickly. And there you have it. You've now created, copied, and integrated a content calendar into Word with ease. It's a simple yet powerful process that can significantly improve your efficiency when planning content. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this helps you streamline your content creation process. Happy content planning!